I hate making presentations all time. First I have to decide where I have to go, then I have to fix my layouts, then I have to find my right visuals. That's too irritating. And if I thought let's just make my whole PPT from the any AI, I have to write one long prompt to make an PPT. Also after that, if my PPT has been made, I have to check whole content of the PPT, and sometimes also I'm not satisfied with it. So I thought I know my project description, and there should be any agent that could listen my project description and make live PPT in front of me. This leads to me building of Stick. Introducing Stick. Change your ideas into presentation. So, this is a Stick, an AI powered presentation system that lets me build a presentation just by speaking. So, I am going to start a live session by just giving some points of my presentation, what my project actually means, and let's see how it's build live PPTs. So, I'm going to start with a SpaceX topic and give it some points regarding it, and let's see how it builds. So, start live presentation. So, it's connecting. SpaceX is an aerospace company founded in 2002 with ambitious goal of reducing the cost of space transportation and making humanity a multiplanetary civilization. The company develops rockets, spacecrafts, satellite systems and launching technologies. Historically, space launches were extremely expensive because rockets were largely designed to be discarded after a mission. This made a frequent space travel difficult and limited the number of missions that could be performed. So, we so yes, we can see that I've given some points regarding the SpaceX, and it have made automatically introduction slides with the Gemini generated image. We can also see the uh, slide 2. It is also making some cards like the points it's needed, and when I'm done it generates an editable PowerPoint, not just a preview. Instead of building presentations slide by slide, I just talk. This is a Stick: speak, think, build. Thank you.